Hello, what are we making today? Hello. Today we will make chicken curry. Oh, sounds delicious. I love chicken curry. Yes, me too. I already cut the onions. Can you chop the tomatoes? Sure. By the way, have you seen the prices in the market? Oh, yes. Everything is so expensive nowadays. I know. Just look at the tomatoes. They're almost double. And onions, wow. I remember last month they were half the price. True, even vegetables are so costly now. At least we are making our own curry. That's cheaper than eating outside. Definitely, homemade food is always better. Did you buy spices yesterday? Yes, I bought chili powder, turmeric, and coriander. Perfect. That will make the curry very tasty. How are the kids? They're fine. My son asked for fried chicken yesterday. Oh, mine also. Kids always want something special. Yes, sometimes I think they eat more than us. True, and they always finish the best pieces first. Did your husband help with shopping this week? A little. He gave me money and said, "Don't buy too much." Same here, but we need everything for the house. By the way, do you remember last month we cooked dal and vegetables? Yes, that was nice and simple, but today chicken curry will be special. Do you want me to grind the garlic and ginger? Yes, please. That will give the curry a nice flavor. I was thinking maybe we should grow some vegetables at home. That would be amazing. No more high prices. Okay, I will start cooking the chicken. You add onions to the pan. Sure. Oh, the aroma is already amazing. Do you want some tea while cooking? Yes, a small cup. Tea makes cooking even more fun. Yes, and we can talk while stirring the curry. True, talking makes the kitchen lively. I was laughing yesterday. My husband tried to cook rice and burnt it. Men and cooking, same story here. Mine also burnt the roti once. Really? That's funny, but at least they try. Yes, and we laugh together, right? Look at the curry. It's looking so delicious now. Yes, soon we can serve it with fresh roti. Yum, I can't wait for lunch. Me too. Homemade food is the best. Okay, I will add some spices now. Can you stir it? Sure, stirring is my favorite part. Yes, and talking while cooking makes it fun. True, we should do this more often. By the way, we should plan something special for the kids next weekend. Yes, maybe some sweet dish or dessert. Great idea. Kids will love it. Absolutely, and we can enjoy it too.